In this video, I'm going to show you 5 basic Taekwondo kicks. Kick number 1, roundhouse kick. So if you're going to be in your bat stance, your front leg is going to pivot towards the direction of the kick. Put your weight onto the front leg. You're going to lift your back leg. Put it in front. Your hips are going to be facing to the side. Your knee is going to be up. Your leg is going to be at a 45-degree angle. And you're going to snap the kick, bring it back, and put it back behind. Kick number 2, front snap kick, is you're going to be in your bat stance. Your front leg is going to be pointed forward because that's the direction of the kick. And your hips are also going to be pointed forward. You're going to bring your knee up. The knee and the foot are going to be parallel and in a straight line. Then you're going to snap the foot directly up like this and put it right back down. Kick number 3, axe kick. The axe kick is very similar to the front snap kick. However, the power isn't going to go straight up. The power is actually going to come when he comes down. So it's going to look like this. You're going to have your leg in front. It's very similar to the front snap kick. Foot facing forward, hips forward. You're going to bring your foot up or your knee up, and you're going to extend and bring the power down. You're trying to pull and retract your foot as it comes down, and that's where the power comes from. So the power of the kick doesn't go up. Power kick comes when you're coming down. So it looks like this. And bring it back. Kick number 4, push kick. Pretty similar to the other 2 kicks. Our foot is going to be forward. Our hips are going to be forward. We're going to bring our knee up. And instead of snapping forward with our toes forward, we're going to pull our toes back. And we're going to hit with our heel pushing forward. Like that. Make sure when you do this kick that the hips don't stay back as you kick, but your hips also push forward and you use your body weight. Like that. Kick number 5, side kick. Your front foot is going to pivot. You're going to put your weight onto your front foot. Your hips are going to point 90 degrees away from the target that you're hitting. You're going to bring your knee up, your foot up as high as you can, trying to make it as parallel to the ground as you can. You're going to retract your toes as close as you can to your shin, and then you're going to extend your leg forward, like that. Bring back, like that. Like and subscribe, and have a good one.